Yes, hello. This is Samuel's Animal Log, and today I'm going to talk to you about Indoraptor, if you've seen that video before. Indoraptor's big sister. The Indominus Rex. Yes, I'm sure you saw the picture. Okay, so good old Indominus is not a real dinosaur like her little brother Indoraptor. She is a genetically enhanced hybrid. The base of her is T-Rex, and she can change colors because she is part cuttlefish. Yeah, he's also part Giganotosaurus, Carnotaurus, Allosaurus, Mosasaurus, and Velociraptor. Yeah, and this toy is really cool because, number one, it's a claw slashing action, and she can eat and roar. And check this out, if you make her roar 3 times, there's a light. Yeah, so that's Indominus Rex for you. Although she is not the first hybrid that Dr. Wu created. Next week we'll talk about that and what he is. But for now we're talking about Indominus. And I've been talking for about 2 minutes, so goodbye, and can you say goodbye?